This workflow begins automatically the moment a new row is added to the Google Sheets task log. As soon as someone enters a task name and selects the related area, the workflow captures it and prepares it for intelligent assignment. Next, the AI agent steps in to analyze the task. It reads the task details, looks at the related functional area, and compares these against the employee roster. The AI normalizes keywords, matches expertise levels, applies scoring rules, and identifies which employee is the best fit. It then returns a structured output containing the task type and the recommended assignee. At the core of this assignment logic is Azure OpenAI using the GPT-4o mini model. It essentially acts like an intelligent dispatcher for the team. Inside the AI agent, we also use the Google Sheets lookup tool to pull real employee data from the roster sheet. Once the AI returns its decision, the structured output parser extracts everything cleanly into JSON. It identifies the task name, the employee's name and ID, and whether the item is classified as a bug or a task. This guarantees the workflow always forwards a consistent data format to Jira. Based on the item type, the workflow then routes the task correctly. If it's classified as a bug, it moves into the bug handling branch. For bug type items, the workflow creates a Jira bug, using the task name as the summary and assigning it to the selected employee. The issue is automatically added to the Scrum project for engineering review. And for all other items, the workflow creates a standard Jira task with the same clean logic, summary, assignment, and correct issue type.